Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Ask the Nerd and Nerd Chic for another one of our top 9 videos. And look at that, that's backwards. Can you believe it? Because I got my screen turned around. But this is one of our top 9 videos. So let's talk about our top 9 today. We're going to discuss top 9 ways to make money from home using your internet for remote work and business. So there's a ton of different ways to make income from home, but these are our top 9. These are the ones that we stand behind, that we've done personally. So I want to share some of those. The first one is, of course, we've known for years, write a blog. Now, the truth is it's going to take a while to get content up there, to get Google AdSense or other affiliates to pay you to really write, and that's okay. It takes some time, but get out there and write some content. Another way that people are making money off of blogging is they're doing podcasts or vlogs, which I'll talk about in a second, and then having them transcribed to the blog itself, creating blog content and making money blogging. So you can either talk it or you can speak to your device and it can transcribe automatically or whatever, but build some blogs. Blogs are great and they're great ways to make income. Inside of NerdCheek, we do a lot of tutorials on WordPress, Wix, and other platforms that you can use for blogging, but get out there and get blogging. Blogging is one of our top 9 ways to make money online. Second way that we really like is podcasting. Podcasting takes a while. For us to even make a few dollars on podcasting in the very beginning, we had to actually do 30 to 40 different episodes. So don't expect for it to be immediately, but set a time and podcast. Podcast every week or a couple times a week if you can. Talk about something that interests you. Podcasting is a great way to make money online. We have tons of tutorials on how to podcast, set up your podcast, and get it submitted to iTunes and more. Another one is writing books. It's never been easier to be an author. I mean, whether you're using Amazon and CreateSpace or you're using some other book baby or something like that that develops your book, there are tons of resources out there to get your book published as well as to write the book. They come with templates. You can put your text into a Word doc. You can upload it to their system. You can create graphics online. You can create your titles and even your book covers. You can get them done through Fiverr and other folks, but creating books, whether it's ebooks or print books, has never been easier than right now. Again, tons of tutorials on those. We do a lot of tutorials on each one of these. So as you're hearing us talk about it, just know this: we break into each one of these things and show you ways to do it very inexpensively. Another way is remote learning and courses. Guys, it has never been easier to get remote learning and courses up. Whether it's using platforms like Thinkific or others, there's tons of platforms for hosting your courses, getting your courses out there. There are platforms out there that will allow you to get a background check and teach kids online. I mean, there's so many opportunities to do e-learning to develop your stuff and get it out there. Number 5, I love this one because I'm personally doing it right now, but vlogging. Whether you're using YouTube or Dailymotion or even Facebook Live or another platform, you can make money doing video. You can use it to drive business to your business you have online already, or you can do it to make income. One of the best platforms out there is YouTube. You're hearing me on it right now, and I've done tons of tutorials on those things and revealed some of the best platforms in video that are out there. And they're ever changing, growing, and some of them are dropping off before I can even get videos up. But vlogging has been a long-term way we've made income. I mean, you guys, I love it because, heck, off of vlogging alone, I make my rent payment, right? That's pretty awesome, or house payment. So the next one, number 6, e-commerce. Setting up an e-store, whether it's Etsy or you're selling on eBay or you become an Amazon business partner and you put your business on their marketplace. I mean, there's tons of ways to do it. You can host your own e-commerce on a WordPress site or others. You can use platforms. You can sell through Shopify. There's almost endless ways that you can do e-commerce and make money online. Again, we have tons of tutorials on the different ones. We drill down into them, but e-commerce is always an opportunity. Investing. Now, there are different ways to invest. There's different ways to look at investing. I'm not encouraging anyone to be a day trader. I don't encourage any of that, but you can invest online using platforms that allow you to pick stocks. If I were doing that, the only thing I will recommend on here is getting into a service called Motley Fool, which is fool.com. And I know I really trust that community for some investment stuff, but get into a platform you can trust, whether it's Schwab, Fidelity, or whatever. You can invest online, and you can do it in such a way where you won't lose. I would not be a day trader right now, but you can make money through investing while you're staying at home. Maybe some of you guys need to be day traders. I don't know. All right, the next one is this: Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. You can mine them and you can trade them. So a lot of folks are making money mining Bitcoin and others. Bitcoin's a little harder to do. We're going to have a lot of tutorials coming on cryptocurrencies. We've been in it since the very beginning, 2009, with Bitcoin. But there are ways to make money through doing cryptocurrencies, whether it's purchasing them and holding them or trading them or even mining them. And there's ways to get tokens, whether it's using Brave browser and others. You can learn about all that on the tutorials that we share. But cryptocurrency is another way to make money online. And the last one I'll talk about is you can be a part of a network marketing group or business or an MLM, multi-level marketing business, and you can show up on social media. A lot of folks are doing that, and that's leading them to writing a book and building a brand or becoming an influencer and then turning around and doing much more in influencer marketing. People will pay you to show up, whether it's in post pictures, Instagram pictures, TikToks, videos, YouTube, whatever, and they will partner with you, groups like FameBit that's now owned with YouTube, and pay you $5,000 to $10,000 to show up. But first, it starts with building a lucrative business through social or network marketing or a multi-level marketing group. And these groups are awesome because they give you a lot of investment and personal growth built into their business model. So you're not just selling a product, you're doing personal growth, you're showing up as a brand, they're helping you learn more, and then you're turning around and you can use that platform to do such more, like become an author, podcaster, vlogger, and even show up for brands and be an influencer. A lot of folks are leading into that. You'd be surprised at the names of people who started that way, like Rachel Hollis and others. So, not that I'm saying that that's what you should do, but guys, there's a lot of great resources. Okay, so my top 9 for today, ways to make money online that I've actually done all of them and they work. Write blogs, podcasts, write books, remote learning courses, vlogging, e-commerce, investing, crypto mining and trading or Bitcoin, and I would do altcoins, look it up later, and social media influencing with either affiliates and partners or a multi-level marketing group or network marketing. Okay, so thanks for tuning in to Ask the Nerd Nerd Chic. Hopefully you guys have loved this. Subscribe to our podcast. Go to our website at www.askthenerd.net and subscribe to this channel because we need the help. It always boosts us whenever you come and become a part of the Nerdiverse. Hopefully this has been helpful. You guys have a great day. Boom.